Hey beauty, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing Walmart fall basics. But before we get started, I do want to thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I'm a Walmart girly through and through, so naturally I share a lot of Walmart content. If you enjoy Walmart as well, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as turn on your bell notifications. I'm so excited for today's video, so let's go ahead and get started. I want to start off with this free assembly t-shirt because it is so good. I love the marled colorway of this. I also like that it's a darker gray. It looks so good with black jeans. It's a nice relaxed fit. It has a good sleeve length and it's very comfortable. The fabric is a nice thick cotton. It is by the brand Free Assembly. I did go ahead and grab my regular size medium in this one. It's a basic, so you know they had other color options as well. I can't get enough of this t-shirt. It's so good. Next, I want to talk about the No Boundaries ribbed stretchy basics. I did get one in a long sleeve crew neck style, but I also got one in the mock neck style. They both are of the same stretchy ribbed fabric. Very comfortable, very lightweight. This crew neck one actually was folded down on a table and had multiple color options to choose from. I love the way just a basic white long sleeve looks underneath a vest, and I have a lot of vests. I like that this one is a dip hem on the front and the back. Super cute. You could wear it tucked in, you could wear it untucked with leggings. Looks great. I did grab this one in my regular size medium. All around a great basic, one that I go back to every year. And then this mock neck one was actually hung up. It did come in a whole bunch of other colorways. I did also see a tank bodysuit style mock neck from No Boundaries that was really good, but I have so many mock neck tank bodysuits that I didn't really need one. I went with this wine. They had an emerald green that was really pretty and a like taupey beige color. I also grabbed a size medium in this No Boundaries one. The bottom on this one is just a straight across hem. Again, another great basic. The fabric is stretchy and soft and lightweight and very comfortable. So I did also grab this lightweight cotton long sleeve, also by No Boundaries. This one's more of a relaxed fit. I did grab a size medium. I'm kind of thinking I should have sized up in this one to a large just because the arms were a little snug on me, but everywhere else it did fit fine. It's a cotton fabric, but it doesn't have like a ton of stretch to it. So if you want more of like a relaxed fit, I would size up. I would say that this one is a high neck crew neck, whereas this one does have a little bit of scoop in the neckline. The bottom is a straight across hem as well. And this one was also folded down on the table, comes in multiple different colorways, but I went with this brown. It's such a good color for the fall. Next up, let's talk about this thermal long sleeve basic cotton t-shirt. I love the texture to this. I think it's really cute. This one was also folded down on the tables. In the Time and True section, also did come in multiple different colorways. They had this oatmeal one that was really cute. I went with the black one, but I'll probably go back and get that one as well. They had a really cute mustard color as well, and these were all under $10. I stuck with my regular size in Time and True, which is a small. Time and True runs truer to the number sizing than the letter sizing. So it's a small, but it goes 4 to 6. I would say that this fits great. This one does also have a dip hem on the bottom, and it has a wristband. Another long sleeve little t-shirt, but I like that this one has a more flowy fit, especially on the bottom. I also like the marled texture to this. It was folded down on the table and also came in multiple different colorways. I did actually go up to a size medium in this one because I wanted a little bit of length so that I could wear it with leggings. I really like the fit. It does have a drop shoulder sleeve and it's really, really cute. I love this orange color, another great basic color for the fall. This one does have a lot of stretch to it. It was very comfortable, super cute. I also love that this one has a dip hem as well. Another flowy top that I'm obsessed with. It's the perfect little tunic to wear with leggings. I love the split on the side. I also love that the back is a little bit longer than the front. I did actually size up to a medium in this one as well, and I really love the oversized, cozy, relaxed fit of it. This one does also have a drop shoulder. I love the ribbed fabric. It is also like a brushed, super soft fabric. Really, really love this colorway, but also came in more basic colors like a beige. I saw a black, I saw a navy blue. So many color options, but I really love this like pinky salmon color. It's so fun. I love the flowy fit of this. It does also have a slight stretch to it. There's no wristband on the bottom. This is such a cute little basic piece. I could dress it up with leggings and knee-high boots, or I can dress it down with leggings and tennis shoes. So it makes for a great versatile basic. Next up, we have this knit basic sweater, also by Time and True. I love the thick ribbed knit collar, and this knit pattern is just so cute. It does have a ribbed knit pattern along the hemline as well, and on the wristband. I went with the navy blue in this one, but it did also come in a beige, a tan, a black, olive, wine. So many color options. I did also stick with my regular size small in this one, just because I wanted something that was a little bit more relaxed as opposed to oversized. You could totally go up 1 or 2 sizes if you want a knit oversized cozy sweater. You could dress it up with a cute little leather mini skirt or a plaid skirt or even a satin midi skirt, but of course I just did it with a basic pair of jeans. Speaking of oversized sweaters, I did grab this Reebok one. I went up to a large in this one, and I'm glad that I did because it's nice and flowy and oversized. I can wear it with leggings or just like biker shorts and slippers around the house. They have a really cute beigey taupe color that I was gonna get. Of course, they have a black one as well. They even have the matching joggers. I really like that it says Reebok in the same color as the sweater, and then the actual triangle part of the logo is stitched in, which I think makes it look so luxurious. I do also really love the little Reebok logo right here. Again, another piece that you can wear at home, super cozy, just hanging out in your slippers, but you could also dress it up with tennis shoes. I love that they carry Reebok in Walmart now. I was actually on the hunt for a basic little cardigan, and Time and True delivered. I went with this one because it's more of a lightweight one that I can just throw on around the house or just layer with a little tank top. I also like that it has this sort of like texture up on the top. It does have 2 patch pockets right here in the front, and it does have a ribbed wristband. I also love that it has these slits on the side. It looks super cute when you're wearing it with leggings. It did also come in multiple colorways. I did actually size up to a large in this one, and I love that it's just like oversized and cozy and kind of drapey. Okay, so I debated if this next one was actually a basic, but for me, this is a basic. And I know a lot of people are wanting a corduroy shacket. I ended up getting a large in this one, which I kind of regret, but it was the only one in my store, and I couldn't pass on it because I thought it would be so cute oversized as a little corduroy dress with some cowgirl boots. I think I ended up styling this one with my knee-high pointed toe boots. It would also look super cute just open with a pair of jeans. It does actually have pockets on the side as well as these pockets right here. I love the tortoiseshell buttons, and it does have a button opening right here in the sleeves. It does also have a dip hem detail, and I'm loving this like brownish orange color. Would be great if you're a UT fan. Next up is this little zip up hoodie. I went up to a size large in this. I kind of wish I would have stuck with a medium or a small because it is more of a cropped fit, but I did still really like it in the large. So I think if I do go back for another one, I'll probably size down and have 2 different fits of the same hoodie because it really is so cute. What is this lint on here? It has a drawstring for the hoodie. It does have the little pockets right here, and it has a thick, gosh, this lint will not get off of me. It does have a ribbed texture right here on the bottom as well as on the sleeves. It's super soft on the inside. It's actually not as thick as I was thinking it was going to be, but I like that because it's kind of drapey. I was able to zip it up and like wear it off the shoulder and kind of style it up a little bit more trendy. It was folded down on the table and came in multiple colorways, which I love. Moving into the jeans, I want to talk about these Signature by Levi's Strauss Heritage Boyfriend Fit. They are a thick, heavy jean, a great fit, high-waisted. I love the coloring on this. The bottom is pre-folded and it's stitched up, so when you wash it, it's not going to get all crazy on you. I grabbed a size 4 W27 and they fit perfectly. I probably could have even sized down because it is a boyfriend fit, so they are a little bit more relaxed. If you're not wanting that, go a size down. I went ahead and grabbed this light pair of Time and True jeans. They are a straight fit with a distressed hem. I like the distressed hem and I feel like the length is fine except for like this little piece right here, so I might just cut that off. I am only 5'1". I think if you're not petite, that little piece right there won't bother you. They are a nice high-waisted fit, and again, I love the colorway. Super cute. They don't have any distressing anywhere else except for the hem, which I love. I did go ahead and grab a pair of jeggings, also by Time and True. I went with this super dark wash, but they did have a lighter wash, a mid wash, and even some other colors like an olive, a khaki, and a black. I love that it's a basic. It doesn't have any fading or coloring on it at all. It does also have a faux button, faux pockets in the front, but the back pockets are functioning, which I love because I just put my cell phone in there. I don't typically use my front pockets anyway. It is a super stretchy waistband, and the belt loops are also functioning. I like the tan stitching on these. They did scrunch for me just a little bit on the bottom. The length didn't bother me, but you could totally hem them if you needed to. I probably won't just because I'm lazy. I did actually grab a size small in these and they did fit just fine. I haven't had a pair of jeggings in a while and I'm very excited about them. I did talk about these faux leather leggings from Time and True in another video. I've been on the hunt for the brown ones in my size and I cannot find them. So if you're wanting some new faux leather leggings, definitely run and get these Time and True ones. I grabbed my regular size small. I really like them. I've styled them so many different times. These will sell out, so go buy them now if you're wanting them. One more pair of Time and True jeans are these light wash wide leg jeans. I did grab these in a size 4 and I feel like the fit was perfect. It was a high rise. I really like this stitching down the front. It's definitely giving me like a 70s vibe. I love the fading on these. It does have functioning back pockets. Denim is super stretchy and very comfortable. They are very trendy. trendy pair of jeans right now, and I love them so much. I grabbed a pair of joggers, and I went with the Athletic Works brand. The Reebok ones are a little bit more heavy, which I'm not there yet. It's still 94 degrees here in Texas, so I wanted something a little bit more lightweight. Not gonna lie though, I'll probably end up buying the Reebok ones too. They are super soft and fuzzy on the inside. I like that it has a functioning slip pocket with an adjustable waistband. No pockets or anything on the back. It does have a ribbing at the ankle, which I love because I can just fold over. And when I folded it over, it fit me lengthwise just fine. Very happy with these. They're super soft. So the next two pairs of jeans are flare leg jeans, and I love them both so much. I don't want to spend a lot of time on them because I have mentioned them in another video, but I just have to mention them because they are a basic, but they're kind of a trendy basic because they are a flare leg. Dang, this piece of lint keeps getting everywhere. But I do like the braiding right here on the waistband. These are by Celebrity Pink, and I grabbed a 7/28. I do kind of feel like I should have sized up in these, but I've already cut off the bottom, so they're stuck with me now, but that's okay because the denim is very stretchy and they are very comfortable. They do have pockets in the back and a high waistline. I love those so much. And then Sofia Vergara jeans, you cannot go wrong with. I've actually had these since last year, and I did see a lot of them in store. So if you're wanting just a basic dark wash flare leg jeans, definitely check out the Sofia Vergara ones. These are the Melissa Flare, and I grabbed a size 6 in these. I would say they fit perfectly. They do have back pockets, and they do have kind of a thicker hem. These are very long on me, but I did just recently purchase some platform boots, which I did mention in my last Walmart fall fashion video. So with those platform boots, these were just fine. I love Sofia Vergara jeans. I've had so many, and they last, and they're stretchy and comfortable, and I highly recommend checking out her brand. Everything that I shared today was head to toe Walmart fashion, and I will have all the links down below. If you enjoyed, don't forget to thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for hanging out and talking fashion with me, my favorite subject, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.